Deep in the wetlands of Central Africa lies one of nature's most peculiar botanical wonders, the Papaver explosivum, commonly known as the African popseed. Unlike its passive flowering neighbors, this remarkable species has evolved a unique defense mechanism against would-be predators. When disturbed by larger herbivores or threatened by adverse conditions, specialized pressure chambers within its bulbous seed pod rapidly compress, launching thousands of microscopic spores in a spectacular display that echoes across the savanna. This explosive dispersal serves two crucial purposes. First, it startles potential threats, buying the plant precious seconds as animals instinctively recoil from the sudden burst. Second, and perhaps more importantly, it ensures wide distribution of its genetic material. The lightweight spores, each protected by a waxy coating, can travel up to 25 meters from the parent plant when conditions are optimal. Those that land on water are carried even further by currents, explaining the species' prevalence along pond margins and seasonal waterways. Local communities have long incorporated the popseed into their traditional storytelling, considering its unpredictable bursts an omen of coming rains. But for the Papaver explosivum, each explosive moment represents not prophecy, but survival. Nature's perfect balance of defense and propagation in one of Earth's most competitive ecosystems.